Hey, I'm Daniel Shortbeard. I'm Daniel Shortbeard, and I'm here for vlog 11. Yeah. What the fuck? Who the fuck is this guy?
Either way, I got what I think is clinched in, locked up, signed, sealed, delivered new studio space. Barn space. A barn, not quite like that barn, but the large barn, and I'm pretty excited. It's a lot of work. It's going to be a lot of work. And so I'm pretty happy today. I mean, how could you not be? It's so beautiful out. It's just an epic, anomalous winter day. Summer's day in winter. And beautiful. I'm so excited to be in this new space. Peter Grauer Power Hour. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen, bro. I mean, it could have been happening anyway, but you know, it's gonna be nice to have this space so close to Phoenixville, so close to home, and yeah, I'm pretty pumped up. I am pumped up.
So yeah, obviously the studio space needs a lot of work, but it's happening.
Kind of makes you appreciate America a little bit. Like, I can drive down the street with my selfie stick, and you know, I don't have to worry about it. You know, I mean, I guess I could worry about it, but what are the chances of it happening? It's not happening. It's not happening around here. Look at where I'm at. It's not happening. But I love everyone. I love everything, and unfortunately, I am gonna have to cut this one short. But we will talk later. And be well, be peaceful, and keep your spirits up, guys. Wheat's out.